In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Typeform as a workspace owner. This process is straightforward, but it's important to remember that only those with workspace owner permissions can actually delete forms. If you have editing permissions, you might find that the delete option doesn't appear for you. So let's dive right into it and go through the necessary steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the specific workspace where your form is stored. Workspaces in Typeform act like folders, organizing your forms and projects, so make sure you're operating in the right one. Once you're inside the correct workspace, locate the exact form you'd like to delete. This is a good time to double-check that you're selecting the correct form, as this decision will be irreversible. With the form identified, focus your attention on the three dots, also known as the More Options icon, located on the Forms tile. Clicking these dots will open a drop-down menu of options. From here, select the Delete option. Before you proceed, it's crucial to understand that Typeform will give you a warning at this point. The system will remind you that deleting a form is a permanent action. Once it's deleted, neither the form nor its responses can be restored. If you're sure that you want to go ahead, you'll need to click on Yes, delete it to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the form. So, what happens after you delete your form? The form itself, along with all of its responses, will be permanently removed from your Typeform account. This includes any files that may have been uploaded through file upload questions within the form. It's important to note that due to data protection laws, such as GDPR, Typeform is not able to restore any deleted data. This is a significant consideration for those handling sensitive or critical data, so make sure to double-check all content before proceeding with deletion. To recap, deleting a form in Typeform is a straightforward task for workspace owners, but it requires caution. Remember, every form and its responses are completely removed and irretrievable once deleted. We hope this guide adds clarity and helps you manage your forms efficiently. Be sure to measure twice and click to delete once, ensuring you're always in compliance with data protection standards and your organization's data practices. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check back for more Typeform tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy form managing.